Okay. Hey folks, Terry Brown here. I'm back with another video today. And you know what? I really can't believe it is January the 27th already. I mean, time is it just me, or does time seem to fly for you as well? It gets crazy sometimes. It seems like I have a lot to do and I don't have the time to do it in, okay? That's what it seems like to me sometimes. But, that's the way life is, right? That's the way life is. Absolutely. Okay, so now look, as you can see, I'm open for business. Check this out. And if you look here, it says 30 minutes a day is worth thousands per month. So we're going to talk about that. But before we do, I've got a powerful thought. A powerful thought I want to share with you. Stay with me for the next few minutes, okay? All right. Okay, here it is. This is a powerful thought for us today. Whatever the problem, there is a solution. And it's often a simple one. And I put in parentheses here. These are my parentheses. Life lesson learning. Why? Because although, the solutions are often simple, a lot of times I complicate things in my mind. And I've got to realize, man, that, things are not as complicated or difficult as I think they are. My wife helps me out so much with that. Okay. But I love this. Look, when you strive to be your best, work at it with passion. That's what I do. Accept responsibility for who you are. Oh man. Yeah. What you do and what happens. It covers the critical areas of life. Look at that. When you strive to be your best, work at it with passion, accept responsibility for who you are, what you do, and what happens. It covers the critical areas of life. Glenn Van Eckeren. What a wonderful, powerful thought. Okay, look here for me. I am in the business of sharing low cost, high profit potential, easy to share, easy to do business opportunities with other people. This will work for you. What I'm going to share with you today, will work for you. Okay. I am also in the business of sharing personal growth, concepts, principles, and strategies with people to assist people in developing or strengthening growth mindsets. Okay. And this is something that I've been studying and working on. I've been a student, practitioner, and teacher for many years in the area of personal growth and development. Okay. Now, look here for me. It says, my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter is a great way to connect with me. It's a free to join, and you can unsubscribe at any time. I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video. Okay. And see, when I decide to do my success motivation bi-weekly conference calls, which I am thinking about doing if I get enough interest in that, and then I'm going to do it. It's only going to be about 15, 20 minutes every 2 weeks, conference call. And we're going to talk about all kinds of things related to personal growth and development, personal transformation, mindset development, all of that kind of stuff. Stuff that I've loved, stuff that I've studied for many years. Okay, and so if you sign up in my newsletter, so you'll get a lot of great information, and you'll be notified. Should I get this going, the success motivation conference calls. Okay, and the link again will be in the description area of this video if you want to sign up for that. Okay. All right, let's move forward. Okay, and getting started on this page, I want you to focus here. I don't think we did it on the first page, but 30 minutes a day is worth thousands per month. Man, if you can carve out, listen, if you can carve out 30 minutes a day to do an online business, you could earn thousands, okay, per month eventually. And with these programs, it's very, very possible to do, okay? And so I want to introduce you to two incredible home-based business opportunities. And you can get started in both of them for less than $100, okay? So think about that. There's a lot of businesses, man, they're asking for, hundreds and hundreds of dollars for you to start a business. You can get started in two powerful businesses for less than $100, okay? And so the first opportunity is the Easy20Now system, okay? And there is a one-time out-of-pocket cost of $30, all right? It is a truly dynamic, low-cost money-making opportunity. The second opportunity is Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards is another dynamic, low-cost moneymaker, okay? $49 one-time out of pocket. Okay, the first month, okay, is $49.95. And then there's $9.95 a month for premium membership. And that's where you want to be if you're going to be in business, okay? That's the cost of doing business. All right, let's move on. Okay, so we're going to do the quick view version, okay, of both of these opportunities, the quick view, okay? And there will be a link to both of the opportunities in the description area of this video. Be sure to take a few moments to check them out, okay? All right, now, again, we're going to focus here 30 minutes a day, and just think 30 minutes a day is worth thousands per month. If you can take time, if you can carve out 30 minutes a day. And if you can't do it every day, at least do 30 minutes every other day. You see what I'm saying? And, but obviously if you're going to do a business, you got to put in some time to do it. Okay. Now, Easy20Now. What if you could start today with a mini money making machine that fills your bank account with $20 deposits over and over again? Folks, this is absolutely exciting, and here's how you can do it. Start for only $20, okay? Purchase your automated mini site and start your journey today. That's it. A small investment for big potential. And you set up your mini site, okay? And this is basically the admin fee for just $9.95. This is one time. So for $29.95, you're in business. And you're in business with the potential to make $20 over and over again once you get going and get going right, okay? And then what do? You share your site. And there are many ways to share your site. No cost and low cost ways, okay? And so show it to millions of people who are looking for proven ways to earn money online. No technical skills are required. And I'm so glad for that one because, I shared on, I think my last video that, I've never was a very technical person. Always been a creative person, but not so technical. And so I can, look, if I can do this, all you technical folks who are definitely, I believe, more technical than I am, can certainly do these programs, okay? And most of the things I share, these are ideas I get from the companies themselves to share, and so it's so easy to do, okay? All right, let's move on. Okay, so now here's the quick version of Nexus Rewards, and be sure now to grab those links, and you've got to at least check these out. Okay, you've got to do that for yourself. Okay, now notice here for me it says free get started coaching session, folks. Look, this is what I'm going to do for those who come on board with me in these opportunities. If you become a premium member with Nexus Rewards, if you sign up to do the business with Easy20Now, then you get a free coaching session with me. Send me a text We'll text back and forth to set up a time where we can get on the phone and we can chop things up and we can get you going with the right mindset, okay, with the right intention, and get you started so you can make some money in these opportunities. The thing is you just have to be ready to go. That's all you need, really. Okay, now look, all right, I can go on, but I digress. Nexus Rewards. Earn multiple $25 payments daily. Residual and fast start money can be made with Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards is a membership-based program designed to help people save money and earn income through cashback, discounts, and a referral rewards system. Oh my God. I love both of these programs. Both of these programs, you can make really tremendous money. Okay. It is an opportunity for the masses. So is Easy20Now. Okay. Now look, we have products that make you thousands in savings and cashback, a lucrative matrix that pays over $22,000 per month, plus a powerful global travel club membership. Well, when you become a premium member, guess what? You're automatically a travel club member. All right. And Nexus Rewards, get this, Nexus Rewards has partnered with the premier travel provider in the world, okay, to bring you the absolute best pricing for all your travel needs, okay? I tell you something. We've got something going on here. Are you ready to get in it? Okay. Okay, so in closing this video, I want you to focus here just for a moment again before I close out. 30 minutes a day is worth thousands per month. 30 minutes a day is worth thousands per month. But there you have it, guys. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing, I mean, a really amazing day today. Bye-bye now. God bless.